That's my Old Smokey Electric Smoker, and now you're looking down in there, that's the heating element. This is a chip plate. It goes right in there, like that, fits in there like that. And you know what you do on the chip plate? You put some chips in there. I got some hickory chips right here. And you just sprinkle a little small handful on there like that. All right? That is the porcelainized bowl. It's a little easier to clean if you coat it with aluminum foil. Here's the small rack. It's going in right there on top of that, because I got something I'm gonna cook on the small rack too. Now the top rack goes about right here, and I'm not gonna put it in yet because I got something I gotta put down there first. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So let's go ahead and, I need to sweep my porch, guys. Go ahead and turn that on. All right, put the lid on and get this preheated. Well, you can hear the dishwasher in the background. My son just started it, but you know, I told him to run the dishwasher, so I'm glad he did. Anyway, we're gonna cook some turkey legs today in my Old Smokey Electric Smoker. All right, now, I know it's October, and you know, turkey season's coming up next month, and I'm gonna cook a whole turkey in it, but I haven't cooked a turkey in this yet. I got this last July when I went to the Old Smokey Throwdown, and I just went around and visited some, and interviewed some of the teams cooking in the Old Smokey Throwdown, and those are with the charcoal grills there in Galveston. And Old Smokey thanked me by giving me an electric smoker and said, you know, hey, we want you to have this, and I sure am glad they did. I was a little skeptical at first, but right after that, we got a bad burn ban going on, a bad drought. It didn't rain for the 6 weeks after 4th of July, and really hadn't rained much since then. We're in a terrible burn ban, and I've been right next to what was called the Tiger Island fire. Maybe it still is, and it's just a few miles from my house. We had to evacuate a few nights, so I hadn't been cooking with charcoal or live fire outside. That electric smoker's really helped out, get me some barbecue stuff. I really enjoy it. All right, next month's November, it's gonna be turkey season, and I haven't done a turkey in it yet, and I'm going to do a whole turkey in it. Oh yeah, you bet. Before Thanksgiving, there's gonna be a turkey, because turkey is one of my favorite things to cook. But what I am gonna do tonight, we need to eat. I've got 3 turkey legs, and this is a brine that I made up. It's some cane syrup, some salt, some water, and then I seasoned it with some black pepper, some garlic, some cumin. Dog's over there eating the dry food now too, so there's all kind of background noise here in the kitchen. Anyway, what else? I had it, cane syrup, salt, water, and then seasoned with black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, and cayenne. So that's what's in this brine. It's been in here for about 24 hours. And look, I'm gonna season it with family poultry rub. My grandfather used to smoke his turkeys with this. I smoke and fry most of my turkeys with this. I make this, and I even made a video about it. It was the 3rd video I ever made 7 years ago. And it was made on New Year's Eve of 2016. The next day was 2017, and that's when I made that video. So that's how long ago this is right now, by the way. I don't know how long in the future you're watching this, but right now it's October 1st of 2023. Anyway, I'm not gonna make this video long. Look, I'm gonna take these out the brine. I'm gonna sprinkle that all over it. I'll meet you outside, dropping them into the smoker. Well, that means it's up to temperature, so let's get this off of here. Looking straight down in there, and what I've got here is, if I can do this one-handed, I can't. I'm gonna put this down, okay? What that is cauliflower, and I drizzled the cauliflower with, the head of cauliflower, drizzled it with olive oil. I've got some pink salt, some pepper, and some of those fancy smancy French Provence herbs on there, or herbe de Provence, all right, or herbe du Provence. And I'm gonna set that right down in the bottom rack. All right, I couldn't get that cast iron skillet in there without burning my hands all the way down deep. Now we're gonna put in these turkey legs, and what I did was just put that seasoning that I make on them. So I'm not trying to sell you any seasoning. I made the brine. You're gonna set that right like that, like that. And this one right here, I made the brine, I made the rub. So I'm not trying to promote a rub brand this time or a seasoning brand. Often I do, just so they'll send me free stuff, or I can sell it for a commission, but nope, this is stuff I made. So, and it's fun to cook with the stuff you make. Anyway, time to close these up. I'm gonna go for about an hour. Got some yard work to do, finish up. And when you see me do the taste test, I'll probably be clean and showered and in a different shirt. All right, it has been right about an hour. Oh, you can tell there's a little pullback on the bones there. They don't have a real dark color. The skin is burst. Let's see, we're looking for 180. And yeah, we need to go, want them at, I don't mind them going up to 195, but they need to be at least 180. That's 180 there, but not in the deepest part. So we are not yet, that one's getting close. That one's actually pretty darn close. But that's the deepest part of that one. I'm gonna let them go another, maybe 30 minutes will be fine, but I'm gonna say a half hour. And you can see that cauliflower down there, it's looking real good. The smell's delicious, absolutely smells wonderful. And I said I wasn't gonna try to sell you any seasons or anything, but I'll have an Amazon link to that cast iron skillet, and I take it out of there with these handles too. So anyway, and I'll have an Amazon link to the Old Smokey Electric Smoker if it's on there still. Anyway, check those out down below, and I'm gonna check on these in about 30 minutes. Let's cover them back up and let them go just a little longer. It's a shower and a half hour later. Let's check this stuff. I've got to tell you, it does smell good. Now this electric smoker is not known for making crispy skin, but it is known for making good food, and it's fogged up from the steam, and we are above 180. That's right down there at the bone. So 200 there, and that's where I like it. I like it in the 190s, especially around 195, but that was gonna do right there. Yep, so I'm glad I waited. All right, so I'll pull these out, put them on the platter, and get those out with those handles I showed you earlier, and we'll take a look at them inside in a little better color and a little bit of lighting, so maybe we can see a little better. Well, there's that cauliflower. Doesn't it look good? All those turkey drippings dripped in there, and I could pull that cauliflower out and then use those turkey drippings and make a gravy with it if I wanted to. If I had a whole turkey, I probably would. Here's the turkey legs in the kitchen light inside, not in the dusk light under the patio, and inside that dark smoker. I'm gonna eat that one right there, so I'll be right back with the taste test. Well, I couldn't resist myself, I already took a bite. Cauliflower's delicious too. Now my son, he said, it's fine. But I think that was teenager fruit was really good, but that turkey, I love turkey. And that's as good as smoked turkey as you can get. Skin's not real crispy. Well, don't expect it on smoked turkey anyway, a whole lot. I can't wait to do a whole turkey. I'm gonna stop talking with my mouth full. All right, no. I can't wait to do a whole turkey. And I'm gonna do a whole turkey this month before November starts. But I know turkey's gonna be good in that smoker because that turkey leg and that homemade brine and my homemade rub, delicious. Look, I'll have Amazon links down below for the smoker. If it's still on Amazon, should be. If not, you can get it at the Old Smokey website. And the large little pan that I did the cauliflower in and the little handles. Hey, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.